Hello, this is a very quick video here. It's about how to create a subscribe button in CapCut. I've made a similar video, but that one was in DaVinci Resolve, and someone requested that I do a similar video in CapCut. So in today's video, I went to download CapCut and I wanted to show that person in this video. So I have my laptop here. We're going on my laptop. So I went to download CapCut just for this video. I don't use CapCut for my editing, but just for this video I decided to go download CapCut and do the video in it. So just come with me, let's do this thing together. So I'm in my CapCut software right now. I'll go and quickly bring my green screen button 808. As you can see, is this one. So if for the first time you have to go download this, I downloaded this from YouTube. You can get it from YouTube too. So I brought it. I'll just bring it into my timeline like this, and boom, is there. Let's play and see. Okay, so as you can see, it's over there. Now you see right now it's green, so just remove the background from it and resize it to become small, so that you just place it at a point that you feel it's suitable for you. So first thing, you go to remove BJ, like remove background. So I'll just click on it, and then we'll come to Chrome key. We'll check this box here, and then you see color picker. Yeah, so click on color picker and then just bring it. You see right now the background is removed. If I remove it from it, you see it's still there, but if I bring it there, it is removed. So I'll just click on it like this and it will remove. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to change the intensity or the strength of it. Okay, so the strength, let's see. You know, right now there's this green stuff around it. We are going to remove this green stuff so that it will have only what we want. I don't think you want a subscribe button that has green stuff around it. It's not professional and it's not good. I don't recommend it for everybody. So we just remove it and change the intensity like this. So let's see. Okay, I think we've done a great job, but let me just increase it a little bit, like 53. It's okay. Oh no, let me add some more to it. When you increase it to the fullest, I think it's going to vanish, but when you bring it down, you see it. So let's see. Okay, I think this one is okay. So let's play it and see what we are having. I think this one is perfect. Like, okay, so right now you see it's so big, we want to make it small. So you see this corner stuff around it like this. You grab one and draw it inside like this. I don't know if you're seeing this. Yes, so you just zoom it in like this and you position it at a place that you want. I always want mine at the bottom left corner here like this. If you've been watching my videos, you know always I put my subscribe button at the bottom corner there. It's very convenient for me and I like it that way. So let me just resize it. So like this, I'll move it downwards a bit. This one is okay for me. So let's see what we are having now. It's perfect, right? Yeah, I think this is perfect. It's so good for me and I like it. Okay, so this is how we add the subscribe button to our videos in CapCut. So if you're using CapCut and you're not using DaVinci Resolve, this is how you're going to do it on your laptop. Like I use my laptop, as you can see. So this is how you will do it on your laptop. Okay, so this is a very quick video. I'm Gertrude and this is the G Systems. Please do want to subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Comment if you have anything you want to ask me. If there's any video that you want me to create, please comment it down below and I'll be very happy to make that video. Thank you so much for watching this video and